prove that sine 3 theta equals 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So let's use compound angle identities to make this sine 3 theta more easy to work with. So we know that sine of a plus b equals sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So we can write the sine 3 theta as sine 2 theta plus theta, because the 2 theta plus theta would be the 3 theta, equals sine 2 theta cos theta plus cos 2 theta sine theta. So when we look at the answer to our proof, there's no cos theta, there's no cos 2 theta or sine 2 theta. So we're going to have to get rid of them. Let's focus on these two first. We know from our double angle identities that you learn in A-level maths that sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. That gets rid of the 2 theta, which is annoying to work with. And the cos 2 theta equals 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. If you don't already know these identities, you can memorize them, or you can just derive them from the compound angle identities that I think you get given in the exam, but double check that yourself. So let's carry on with the proof. Let's substitute sine 2 theta in, and we'll get 2 sine theta cos theta multiplied by cos theta plus 1 minus 2 sine squared theta all multiplied by sine theta. We'll expand that and we'll get 2 sine theta cos squared theta plus sine theta minus 2 sine cubed theta. Now we still have an annoying cos squared theta here, but your instinct should be telling you sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1, and therefore cos squared theta equals 1 minus sine squared theta, and we'll just substitute that into our equation and we'll get something that looks like this. So that'll be 2 sine theta minus 2 sine cubed theta plus sine theta minus 2 sine cubed theta, and now we'll collect like terms and we'll get 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cubed theta, and that is our answer. When you finish doing a proof in A-level maths, I'd always recommend you just to write the 3 lines equals to show the proof, and then sine 3 theta, because some mark schemes do include that as its own mark. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful.